right in the middle of every computer. There's a brain that runs it all. That's the central processing unit, the CPU. Sitting on the board like a king on a throne, every command comes through its home. From the moment you click to the end of the task, CPU handles every ask. Arithmetic logic unit does the math. Control unit directs the path. Registers hold data tight. All work together day and night. CPU thinks, CPU runs, carries out what must be done. Every program, every move flows right through the CPU. Fast or slow depends on you. Cores and speed define the CPU. Learn this well and you will see it's the brain of technology. Desktop CPU, strong and wide. Desktop CPU, strong and wide. High performance deep inside. Gaming, editing, heavy load. Built for power down the road. Laptop CPU, slim and light. Balance power day and night. Save the battery, keep it cool. Portable processing as a rule. Mobile CPUs in your hand. Smartphones follow the same plan. Low power use but fast and smart. Tiny chips with a mighty heart. Single core was how it began. One task at a time for every plan. Now we got cores 2, 4, 8. Even more to accelerate. Multi-core handles tasks in line. Parallel work at the same time. Multitasking smooth and fast. More cores make performance last. Clock speed measured in gigahertz. How fast it works, how fast it bursts. Higher speed means quicker flow. More instructions that it can show. Cycles ticking every second, billion strong. That's what you're getting. Speed and cores both play a role. That's how you measure CPU control. Caches memory close at hand. Helps the CPU understand. L1, L2, L3 layers deep. Store data quick so it don't sleep. Faster access, less delay. Keeps performance on its way. Small but powerful built inside. Cache keeps data right nearby. Integrated graphics in the chip. Handles visuals without extra grip. Good for basic work and play. Keeps things simple every day. Dedicated GPUs take the load. Heavy graphics down the road. But CPU still runs the core. Coordinates it all and more. Heat builds up when work is high. Too much heat and speeds will die. Thermal throttling slows it down. Protects the chip from burning out. Fans and heat sinks keep it cool. Liquid cooling is another tool. Thermal paste between the layers keeps the heat away from there. Embedded CPU, small and tight. Run inside devices day and night. Cars, microwaves, ATMs. Hidden brains inside of them. Server CPUs built for scale. Handle networks without fail. Multiple users, heavy demand. Enterprise systems in command. Fetch the instruction from memory space. Decode the meaning at a steady pace. Execute the command right then. Store the moving on. CPU leads, runs the system, meets the needs from input into output view. Everything depends on CPU. Cores and speed and cache inside, processing power you can't hide. Learn this truth and you break through. You understand the CPU. So when you troubleshoot the flow, check the brain that runs the show. From every task to what you do, it all comes back to the CPU.